Before I start this video, let me say this is not a sponsored video. This is stuff I bought with my own money, and you take it for what it is. So one of the worst things about owning my 2020 F-250 is washing the truck. I wash this truck by hand and it takes me about an hour. The worst part about washing the truck is cleaning the rims, especially the front rims. Back rims normally aren't too bad, but the front rims, they got a lot of brake dust on there. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but all these little nooks and crannies, this is a pain in the butt to clean. I've tried using a regular sponge. Before I started using that product right there, I've just been using this little brush. This is like a soft bristle brush, and I have to get in here, twist it all weird, and just very time consuming. And like each slot, I'd be in there for at least a minute, hose it off, and then I'd probably have to go back in there and hit a little spot that I missed. There is a better way. If you have a simple drill, you get this little brush kit right here. I think I spent 10 bucks on Amazon for it. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. But in essence, what it is, it's basically like a toilet cleaning brush with a drill attachment. It's cheap, but check this out. Let me set up the camera here and I'll show you how effective this is. By the way, I'm not using any special cleaners or anything like that. This is just car wash and water mixed up in this bucket here. The only thing I've done to this rim is just simply wetted it. So if I take this little toilet cleaning brush, go in one of these slots here, see, I can get deep in here, like the inside of the rim where it's normally really hard to get to. With this, you can really get in there. Might as well finish up the tire. The only thing with this brush, you got to be very careful around the valve stem, and it's really not the best for cleaning this hub cover. So I go back to my soft bristle brush, just carefully clean around the valve stem and clean lug nut cap. Also, another quick tip, if you do have a truck with manual locking hubs, whenever you wash these rims, it's a good idea to just turn them on, turn them back to auto, just keep these hubs freed up. Learned that from there's a guy online. His name's like Power Stroke Ford Tech Guy or something. I'll leave a link to his channel right now, but it's just a good little tip right there. So all you do now is get yourself a hose, move the camera back a little bit. Let's see how we did. Look at that. That is pretty darn clean. That is up to my standards. See, we missed a little bit right there. I'll come back with the soft bristle brush and just clean that up. But like these little cracks right here are really the hardest spot to get in terms of cleaning brake dust off the rims. And you can see we actually got in there pretty good. You know, it's not going to be perfect. There's always going to be brake dust in there. I'm sure you could use harsh chemicals and stuff like that to help break up that brake dust. But if you're looking for a really simple, really effective, really quick way, an easy way to clean your rims, I definitely recommend this toilet brush attachment for your drill or driver. So again, if you're interested in this product, leave a link in the description below. Not sponsored by them, bought this with my own money, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.